What's up, YouTube? Student Survival here. Today we got a few packs out here, doing some spring cleaning, and just have a few things we'd like to share. Finally, the rain let up, and finally out here to get some sunshine and some fresh air. So we figured we'd take advantage of this and give you guys a video.
What we'll do, guys, is bring each one of these packs or bags up here on the table one at a time and just show you what's crammed in them. Be 100% honest, I don't exactly know for sure what's in each one at the moment. Stuff's been stored away for most of the winter, and we're going through stuff today and figured it'd be a good time to show you guys a couple things. But what we got here today is U.S. military CFP 90, both bags, the patrol bag as well as the large bag. The one beside of it is just listed as equipment bag. I've also heard it called a tanker's bag. Another massive pack. Can try to look inside here and probably get NSN numbers for you guys on that. Over here to the far right we have just a large Alice pack with some stuff attached to the outside of it, and over to the far left is just an old school pilot's duffel bag. But we'll bring them up here one at a time and show you guys what's inside. Alright guys, we'll go ahead and open it up and see just what's in here today. It's a Molly radio pouch. Molly 2 radio pouch. With the utility, GP utility strap on it. Makes a good heavy duty haversack. Inside just some fishing tackle, some more wet wipes, some bug spray, and some hand rags, shop towels. Old school web gear, Alice gear, belt, suspenders, with the butt pack. Inside that, $3 fleece blanket from Walmart. GI duffel bag, clothing, laundry bag, I'm assuming. Picked up at a yard sale or a Goodwill or somewhere. More belts and suspenders. Swiss rubberized Swiss pouch. GI fanny pack. You want to travel light. A lot of times if I'm just out playing around in the woods or at the river or something, this will hold a slingshot, bottle of water, odds and ends. Just travel light. More belts. Have another haversack that originally came with a surplus gas mask. So I'm not sure which nation or model number, but that was a gas mask bag. More belts and suspenders. If you guys aren't familiar with the old school Alice gear, web gear, check it out. And anytime we find this stuff cheap, we pick it up. Good to have extras on hand for friends, relatives, other people that may join your group at a later date. Some old Chi-Com mag pouch. Holds 5 AK mags. There's another one. Yet another one. It's an old Chi-Com SKS or any type of rifle cover, but originally for an SKS or an AK. Chicom chest rig, 3-cell, AK pouch chest rig, and there's the 4-cell. Got the old wooden toggles. I see these a lot in the old Missing in Action movies. Chuck Norris. A lot of these are still used in the Middle East and parts of Africa. Used to be dirt cheap. They're kind of going up in price because they're now becoming collector's items. Good piece of gear. Just an old burlap sack. Sleeping bag straps to attach a bedroll to an Alice pack. Another gas mask bag, which can be used as a perfect haversack or sling bag. I think this one's either Swiss or Swedish, I'm not sure, but it's rubberized. Wouldn't say it's totally waterproof, but definitely water resistant. Have several of these Romanian AK pouches. Most of them hold 2 mags, have a space for your oil can, and some of them also have a pocket on the side for the little cleaning kit. Just old surplus mag pouches. This one holds 3. A couple more. These here, I'm not sure if they're actual military issue or mil spec aftermarket. They don't seem real heavy duty made. But these ones are not your regular M16 mag pouches. These ones actually fit 3 AK mags, and not very common. You don't find these ones too often for the AK. Mostly everything in the Alice gear is set up for the M16. Another old school pouch inside of it. More Alice gear, little first aid pouches, compass pouches, and a couple MOLLE adapters where you can make your MOLLE gear also accept anything with an Alice clip. Or this one here velcros open for a sheath knife like a K-bar or something, where you could attach that to your MOLLE. This is an aftermarket, definitely junk SKS sling. You can see it's broke. Definitely not real issue. Not sure the brand name on it, but it's trash. This is a rubberized folding bowl, I guess. Water container. Be good for picking berries or carrying emergency water, or if you want a dog dish, scavenging, anything you needed a collapsible container for. Not sure that I'd want to eat out of it unless it was an emergency, but everything's got that surplus smell to it, so you have no idea what kind of chemicals it's been treated with. Another old school duffel bag. This one's just the basic top loader that everyone's familiar with the strap and the carry handle. Now these are actual military issue. These are the original M16 mag pouches, or AR-15. Would have hold 3 of those just perfect. And if packed right, you could also make these into a nice little survival kit pouch. I've done that for years. Even as a kid, I had one of these set up on a canteen belt. And if you pack them right, your Altoids 10, your little mini survival kits, these are good pouches for that. At one time they had webbing on the side that originally in Vietnam held grenades, I believe, but these ones here have been trimmed off. But the pouches are still good. And that's it for that, guys. So all that fit in that pilot's duffel bag, and we'll get this crap out of the way and bring on another one.